Utirelo sends out a message to all the girls who might be interested in her man. She shared the status, which I found quite interesting. It reads as follows: Banyana Baka, which means my girls, if you find yourself in a relationship with my partner and you feel that you want him all to yourself, please, ungangi loyi, meaning please do not bewitch me. Just take him. If he doesn't want to leave me and you feel ukuthi you can't live without him, mdlise, meaning like give him, what is mdlise? Give him a love potion, basically. Muphe isidliso and leave me out of it. We have a family's thing. We can't be allowing our parents to bury us all because of that word right there, which you can read on the screen for yourself, because I'm not about to be swearing for nobody. And then the last paragraph or the last bit of that status says, Angifuni ukufela umfana mina. I have a life to live. I found this status, the fact that she shared this status so ironic, you guys, because one thing, ngesthembu, guys, you're not guaranteed that people are not going to come with their own things. People are coming from different backgrounds. People vele khona abanye vele they grew up in homes where ukusebenzisa imithi is a very normal thing. They grew up in households where using witchcraft to get their way, giving men love potions is a very normal way of life for them. So when you get into a polygamous relationship, those are like one of the things you need to be aware of. I mean, we've heard of many instances where, for instance, a man married more than one wife, and then next thing the one wife or the first wife passes away, and no one really knows. But there's speculations that the second wife did something, and blah 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 blah. And I'm like, yeah, Batung, Yelang. But Tirelo, be careful out there. Hey, Nibian safety because people are just some people are willing to do whatever they want to do to be safe. And just putting up a status message and telling people to don't do that to you because your parents shouldn't be bearing you at a young age. For some people, they really don't care. For some people, when like the way things can get like catty and fighty in Estenjin, some people just will want to prove a point with you, you know? So, hey guys, I don't even know what to say about this because these days it's not even only polygamy. These days there are women who are, but hey guys, hi, cut, food. But Niben safety, even I really hope, but you really know what you're getting yourself into because you remember when Musam Selu said amongst his wife, there's a woman who's using imiti. He didn't really say what is she using imiti for, but he said there's a woman who is using imiti and he wasn't very happy with that. But what more could he do? You know? So, hey guys, really, if you believe in prayer, please do pray, cover yourself in prayer. Whichever way, other people get believe that they're covering themselves and get me but hey, ni be in safety, guys, because people are covering themselves and doing whatever it takes to be ahead than other women. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.